The wheat straw is already being baled up this evening by contractors James and Nunn. 2 balers are working in this 40-hectare field. The first on a 150 horsepower John Deere 6920. The baler, a Massey Ferguson 2150, was built in the US at the Hesston factory, Hesston having been bought by MF's parent company Agco in 1991. Rather than full-size Hesston bales, the wheat straw is being packed into mini Hestons, 80 centimetres wide by 90 centimetres high and 2.4 metres long. They're secured with 4 strings rather than 6. The second baler, another 2150, is working behind a 190 horsepower John Deere 7810. A very late example, it dates from 2003, the last year of 7010 series production.